Morning, welcome to
MathForKids165.
MathForKids number 165. Today we're going to look at, we found a really neat section on the Khan Academy problems on mixed numbers, and it was called ordering mixed numbers. And the idea was to order them from largest to small, or sorry, from smallest to largest. Right?
Yep.
Okay, so I just picked out a few of these problems and we'll work through two of them. So you have the numbers 2, 1 1/3, 23/12, 5/3, and 1 4/5. Okay, so we have a series of mixed numbers, and we're supposed to put them in order from largest to smallest. Sorry, from smallest to largest. I can't say that right this morning for some reason. Okay, so what do we look to do on problems like this?
Well, first find the smallest one.
Okay, what do you think the smallest one is?
I think it's 1 1/3.
Okay, why do you think that's the smallest?
Well, 5/3 is 1. 5/3 is 1 2/3.
Okay.
And 23/12 is almost 2.
23/12 is almost 2.
And 1 4/5 is pretty close to 2 also.
All right. And what about 2?
2 is 2.
It's really close to 2.
2 is the largest, actually.
Okay. So we have 1 1/3 is the smallest, because the other ones are either really close to 2 or
It's like in the middle. Or
the other ones are really close to 2 or what?
Or 2.
Or actually 2. So what's the largest one?
2.
2. Okay. So we've crossed out this and this because we found the smallest and the largest. Now we just have to put these in the right order.
Well, 23/12 would be the next largest.
Okay,
Because
why?
it's 1 and 11/12.
Okay, this is 1 and 11/12, so it's really close to 2. 23/12. Okay, so we think we got that right.
And then 4/5 is bigger than 2/3.
4/5 is bigger than 2/3, so we have 1 4/5, and then 5/3. Now, how do we know that 1 4/5 is less than 23/12?
Well, this is 1 4/5. This is 1 and 11/12.
Okay, so how do you know that this is bigger than that?
11/12 is bigger than 4/5.
Why?
Because you have a larger number on top and a larger number on bottom.
Give me a better explanation.
This is only 1/12 away from 1. This is 1/5.
Right. If we're just going to compare 4/5 and 11/12, this is 1/12 away from 1, and this is 1/5 away from 1. And 1/12 is smaller than a fifth, so this is closer to 1 than this. Okay, so that's the right order for those ones. Okay. Now, you can't just say it's a larger number on the top and a larger number on the bottom, because you could have 4/5 and let me just get one that works. Okay. Here's a larger number on the top and a larger number on the bottom.
But it's 4/5 is bigger.
Because 4/5 is the same as 16/20. Okay, so you have to have a better reason than it's a larger number on the top and a larger number on the bottom. Okay, let's do one more of these. Okay, 7/2. Here's what you're trying to put in order. 7/2, 17/16, 4 1/2, 17/12, and 1 2/3. Okay, so find the smallest number there for me, please.
Smallest number would be 17/16. It's just a tiny bit bigger than 1.
Okay, 17/16 looks like it's the smallest number. What's the largest number?
4 1/2.
4 1/2. Why is that the largest?
Because, well, 7/2 is 3 1/2.
Okay.
And all these,
17/16 we said was just a little bit bigger than
all
1.
these this is like, this is bigger than 1. All these aren't really that close to 4.
Okay, so this is 4 1/2. All right, so we're left with 7/2, 17/12, and 1 2/3.
Well, 7/2 is 3 1/2, so it's next largest.
Next largest. Okay, so now we just have to figure out 17/12 and 1 2/3.
Well, this is 1 5/12.
Okay.
5/12 is less than a half. 2/3 is bigger.
Okay. So what is the
So,
answer?
1 2/3 goes down.
1 2/3 here, because this is bigger than 1 1/2.
Yeah.
And 17/12 goes here because that's less than 1.5, right?
Yeah.
So I have a little bit bigger than 1. This is 1 and 1/16. Something that's a little bit less than 1.5. Something that's a little bit bigger than 1.5. This is...
It's a little bit bigger than 3. It's halfway between 3 and 4.
It's 3.5, and this is 4.5. Okay, so this is 1 plus a small number. 1 plus nearly a half, but a little bit less than a half. And when you write them like this, it's actually very easy to see what the order is. But that was good. This is going to take a lot of practice. This is actually a very good exercise on Khan Academy because it really gets you familiar with the numbers. Because when you just glance at the board, it's kind of hard to figure out how to arrange those, right?
Yeah.
But when you think about it, you find the smallest one, you find the largest one, and then it actually falls into place. All right, good job. Good job today, honey. Good job.